The Forest Research Institute (FRI) in Dehradun has a history with the evolution of scientific forestry on the subcontinent. It was established in the late 19th century and has evolved into a premier research and training institution. The key historical milestones, like in 1878, foundation as a forest school. The institution began as a forest school in Dehradun, founded by the British under the guidance of Sir Patrick Bandes, the German forester who was Inspector General of Forests in India at the time. Relocation and new building. A much larger campus was acquired in 1923 and construction of the present main building, designed in Greco-Roman and colonial architecture style by C.G. Blomfield. The main building, which was once listed in the Guinness Books of World Record as the largest purely brick structure in the world, was inaugurated in 1929 by the Viceroy Lord Irwin. At FRI, the morning arrives quietly, not with noise, but with breath, cold, pine-scented, honest. Mist drapes the red brick walls like time refusing to move on. Here, footsteps don't hurry. They learn the rhythm of trees, of deodars that have seen generations of questions and a few brave answers. The corridors stand long and patient, holding echoes of scholars, dreamers, forest keepers of the future. Every arc whispers, wait, understand, and respect. Books open, but the land teaches first. Leaves explain balance, roots speak of survival, and the hills remind you that growth is slow but certain. Cold benches, warm ambitions, hands numb, heart awake. Pains move not to chase success but to earn it. Even silence has a syllabus. It teaches humility, the kind that comes from standing small in front of something ancient. When evening settles and the sky turns pale, the campus exhales, dreams stay behind in classrooms, resting like seeds in oil. FRI doesn't just shape minds, it shapes patience, and those who pass through it leave knowing one truth: strong forests and strong